Alright, in this video, we're taking this gar skin. This is a gar I shot with my China Berry bow. And we're gonna make a hat band out of them. We're gonna be putting it on this hat right here. This is gonna be a experimental project. I've never worked with fish leather before. Right now, this is at the rawhide stage. I am gonna tan this. I'm gonna use the old egg yolk tanning process for it. I'm thinking about using this strip right here where it's yellow and kind of fades into black. That would look real nice. Once the gar skin absorbs as much of the solution as it can, you need to stretch it all the way until it dries completely. This takes a really long time. I didn't record the whole process of doing this because it's kind of boring, but you get what you're supposed to do. This is it dried out and it was looking pretty good. Finished product. Turned out really nice. You can see the spots right there, some there a little bit that the gar had. Turned out really nice. I just tied the end like that on the back. Looks really good.